We are living in the digital world where it is very easy to connect and communicate with people from various parts of the world. Besides other benefits, this also gives us an opportunity to share our thoughts and ideas with others. Even if we have so many social media platforms and apps to express ourselves, most of them are not built for personal communication. There are many limitations in current social media apps that restrict users from expressing themselves freely. If you want to send hidden messages to your friends or partners, but still want that they remain a secret, here's how you can do that on iPhone. Secret chats are end-to-end encrypted chats that are only visible to friends using the same service. They let you send self-destructing messages, sketch images, and make voice calls without leaving a trace on your device. You won't find these chats in the app's main conversations list. And the person you're chatting with won't see your online status in the app. These are only available on the latest version of the WhatsApp app. If you're using an outdated version of WhatsApp, make sure you update the app to the latest version. How to send secret messages with secret chats. First, you need to select the person you want to send secret messages to. In the conversation, click on the three dots menu and then select the secret chat option. Now, you've successfully started a secret chat. Now, the person on the other end will only be able to see your last seen status, but won't see your online status. This means that the person cannot be notified if you are online. Furthermore, the messages will be deleted from both ends after the specified time interval. This is the best way to keep a secret message out of the limelight. Hidden chats in Messenger. Messenger is one of the most popular apps among the smartphone users. It is used by millions of people around the globe. Apart from normal chatting, it also offers secret chatting. This feature is hidden from the users and is only available for Android users. On iOS devices, you will not be able to see or use this feature. You can even add emojis to your secret messages. This is a fun way to express your thoughts and feelings. How to send self-destructing messages. If you want to send self-destructing messages, then you can go for Snapchat. Snapchat is a photo-sharing application with a twist. The photos you send are stored for a few seconds, and then they are automatically deleted. You can also add text or drawings to your photos. Snapchat is basically designed for the youth, but adults can also enjoy its fun features. This is one of the best ways to make sure that your photos are deleted after a few seconds. WhatsApp secret messages. If you are an avid user of WhatsApp, then you must be knowing about its secret messages. You can send encrypted messages to your friends and family members. You can also make group chats on WhatsApp. This is a great way to send confidential information to people. They will not be able to read your messages unless they know the passcode. Conclusion. If you want to send secret messages to your friends, then you can use one of these apps. These are the best ways to send secret messages. However, it is important to remember that you should never share personal information on public channels. This can put you at risk of identity theft. Make sure you're only sharing personal information with people you trust.